Creating AI generated videos for your YouTube channel will only set you up for failure. The worst type of videos you can create for your YouTube channel are AI generated videos. While this may seem like an easy button, you don't even need to show up and do your hair and makeup. These types of videos will never be able to replace the power of a real human being. Research shows that 50% of consumers can already identify AI generated content, and over half of them immediately disengage once they realize that video isn't made by a real person. I want to show you more proof why putting your time into AI generated content here on YouTube is not the way to go, and why if you as a human, you personally aren't going to show up and create content, video content for your audience, your business will get left behind. Listen, I'm not against AI. AI is great for a lot of things, and I use it in my business every single day. It can help you even with your YouTube content. It can help you research content ideas, scripting, coming up with title ideas, thumbnail ideas. But the second you use it to replace you, that's where the critical mistake is going to happen. The reason why AI content lacks general emotion, it lacks storytelling, it lacks connection. And all of these things are key factors that drive engagement and sales. So as a business owner, your whole purpose in creating content here on YouTube is to generate sales, right? Another recent study found that while people appreciate AI assistants, 80% of them don't trust AI generated content when it comes to making purchasing decisions. And that comes from PR News. So what it all comes down to here is people are not going to buy from AI generated content here on YouTube. They are going to buy from people like me, who is waving my hands and using inflections in my voice and probably stumbling over my words and making me feel like an actual human and not AI generated. Because I don't know, maybe there's AI software out there to look crazy like me, but this is what makes me connect with you, being who I am as a person. Now let me talk about why you're gonna get left behind if you just hit the easy button and use AI generated content here on YouTube. I get it. AI is coming to replace everything. Writing, automations, video editing, even voiceovers. Now, if I could get it to come clean my house, maybe load and unload the dishwasher, that would be fantastic as well. But again, the one thing it's never going to be able to replace is your personality. You as you show up as a human. Now, this shift, this growth in AI, here's what's happening on YouTube. AI is making low effort content cheaper and faster than ever before. So the internet and YouTube and Instagram is about to be flooded with AI generated videos that all look and sound the same. And this means real content, human-led content, is going to stand out more than ever before. A study by a marketing insider group found that human-created content consistently outperforms AI-generated content in creativity, quality, and engagement. All three things we need to be doing as a business owner with our content to make sales, to book clients, right? So if you've been sitting there thinking, I'll just let AI handle my YouTube content, I don't even need to be on camera. I hate to break it to you, you're already losing on YouTube. And you're losing sales and you're losing out on clients. Just for example, some of my best performing videos here on my channel are not the ones that I thought I did perfectly. They're the ones that I showed up with lipstick on my teeth, with rosacea all over the side of my face, with a kid running into my office, with hardly any editing at all, but they're real. They make a connection with my audience, and real is what sells. Now, I still think you should use AI, and I told you I use AI every day in my business, but here's how you need to be using AI the right way with your YouTube content. Because I use it as a tool, and I don't use it to replace myself. First, you can use AI for brainstorming. You can go into ChatGPT or whatever AI tool you want to play with, get topic ideas, keyword suggestions, start digging in to content research and start to understand your ready to buy viewer on an even deeper level. You can also use AI for scripting assistance. And I said assistance. I like to use AI to just kind of spit out, here are my thoughts for this topic. Here are all the things that I want to cover. And I let AI then organize my thoughts so it flows out to you guys in a seamless way. But if I were just to spit out my thoughts, it would be kind of all over the place because that's how my brain works. But I never let AI script my video word for word because I need to show up as me and I need to speak how I would speak. You can also use AI to repurpose your content, and I've been loving ChatGPT for this. I will take the transcript from my YouTube video, I will plug it into ChatGPT, and I have specific ways that I've trained it that I like emails, and it will create me 3 emails from one YouTube video to send to my email list. We also then use that transcript to create a blog post for my blog. And if we're feeling like we want to go that extra step, if we're feeling extra productive, we may turn that video transcript into an Instagram carousel. But if you look at my Instagram recently, I'm not posting a lot, so I really don't feel like going the extra effort for that, because what YouTube does for me as a human here on video and what my emails do is sell for me every day without needing to show up on Instagram. You do not want to be using AI to replace your face on video. Replace your face is a no, because that is going to be the fastest way to lose trust and engagement with your audience. AI can help you streamline and repurpose all you want, but it will never replace unique human connection that you create when you, uniquely you, show up for your audience. If you've been thinking about doing your YouTube videos using AI, it's time to shift your mindset, because the business owners who are going to win in this AI era are the ones that show up as the face of their brand. And you can keep figuring this out and doing it alone. And here's the truth. If you keep trying to do this alone, if you keep trying to guess at what works on YouTube, or if you keep avoiding video and hoping that AI is going to do the work for you, you will stay stuck. Stuck creating content that does not make you a single dime. Stuck wondering why you can't make sales when you publish a video. Stuck in the cycle of spending hours marketing your business with little to no return. But when you join me inside my YouTube coaching experience, everything changes. YouTube stops feeling like a marketing task and instead becomes the #1 driver of leads and sales to your business every single day. When you follow the strategy that I teach my clients inside the YouTube coaching experience, you'll be able to sit down and film and know that video with confidence will drive you sales, because your strategy that you built for your channel is designed to attract your ready to buy viewer. You will stop relying on time-consuming social media, exhausting webinars, and complex funnels, because YouTube is doing all the selling for you. This is a screenshot of my Stripe account. I'm getting 5 to 10 sales every single day in my business from YouTube, organic YouTube. This is not ads, this is straight from YouTube. Your content will keep working for you when you're not even online. It's gonna bring in leads, signups, sales, while you focus on serving your clients or actually taking a vacation. I'm currently working between 25 to 30 hours a week right now, and while I've shortened the amount of time I'm working, I'm making more sales than ever because of my strategic content here on YouTube. Inside the YouTube coaching experience, you'll have clarity on exactly what to film. No more second guessing if you publish that video, if you'll get a sale or not, because you have my proven framework that gets me those sales every single day. And you'll have a system that makes YouTube sustainable. It's not gonna burn you out, because you only need to be creating 1 video a week on YouTube to see these sales. If you're serious about using YouTube to create consistent, evergreen sales, go to trenalittle.com/coaching or click the link in the description box to join us inside today. This is your chance to build a content system that actually sells, so your business can finally grow without relying on the social media rat race. And if you're not leveraging YouTube the right way, you're missing out on the easiest way to grow your business in 2025. I'll break down my minimalist approach to YouTube in this playlist right here that you can watch next.